everyone, I'm Dani.
And I'm Erika.
And we're from Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at the present continuous. If you want to talk about something you're doing right now, you want to use present continuous. Let's see it in real life. Hey Erika, what are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Oh, good.
Hey, Dani, what are you doing?
I'm drinking water.
Excellent.
Hey guys, what is she doing?
She's writing a letter.
Good.
Hey, what are they doing?
We're speaking English. Did you see present continuous in action? Hope you can use it in your conversations. We'll see you next time at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, where you can learn about present continuous in course 3. So come on down, and our phone number 2424-158. Bye.
Bye.